Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious custard cake using an easy method. This delightful dessert combines a soft cake base with a creamy, milky custard layer, perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients and preparing our baking pan. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's dive into creating this irresistible treat together. Now let's create that luscious custard layer. In a bowl, whisk together your egg yolks, sugar, cornstarch, and vanilla until well combined. Next, gently warm your milk on the stove until it just simmers, being careful not to boil it. Slowly add the warm milk to your egg mixture while continuously whisking to temper it. Then, pour this mixture back into the pot and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens to a beautiful custard consistency. This step is key for a rich, creamy result. With our custard ready, it's time to assemble our cake. Quickly dip plain cookies into water, just for a moment, and arrange them to form a single layer in your prepared baking dish. Then, generously pour 2 to 3 ladles of the hot custard over the cookies, making sure they are completely covered. Repeat this layering process 2 more times until all your cookies and custard are used. Finally, place your assembled cake into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 1 hour, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once baked, let your custard cake cool completely on a wire rack. For the best flavor and texture, refrigerate it overnight. This allows the cookies to soften and the flavors to meld beautifully. To unmold, gently run a knife around the edges, then invert it onto a serving plate. You can dust it with powdered sugar or add fresh berries for a lovely finish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy this delightful, easy-to-make custard cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.